Today I'm going to talk about again my weight loss transformation journey. Recently I had a fantastic transformation of losing more than 50 kgs. It's not only losing the weight, I'll be, I become fit and fine mentally and physically. It was very tough for me, but at the same time it is very difficult. It's only difficult, but it's something not, not impossible. Right? It is possible. It's just a difficult. I had a difficult journey, but it is quite possible. So, but it's all about, you need to change certain habits. You need to think, you need to change your mindset. So today I'm going to give you some hacks, you can call it. I'll give you some tips and hacks. So before starting your weight loss transformation journey, or maybe if you're someone who is really struggling to not able to follow certain discipline, habits and consistency, or maybe you're following for the some time but you're skipping in between, or you're giving up and you're not getting desired results, or you're someone who is really working very hard but you may not be getting the results. So I was into similar situation. Yes, I was into similar situation. First of all, I was not able to lose anything for more than 15-20 years. I was in some different stage, right? So it was happened for me. Then I was not able to lose anything. So then I was in the time, like, I was in the stage of that, I started following certain methods and procedures, but I have not got any results. I was stagnant. So it was completely demotivation. Then, on track, half track because of these challenges. So like maybe a professional challenges, personal challenges, family challenges, and plus the not able to stick to habit, not able to follow the routines, not able to be in consistency in the journey. So there's a various factors. It's a quite possible because we're all human beings, and as a human tendency, as a human psychology, it is not possible to completely stick on to some habits, disciplines and consistency. So but today I'll give you some quick tips so that you can make a note of it, and you can read it, you can correlate with yourself, and you can prepare yourself. You can look into this certain parameters. You can prepare your own notes accordingly. You can stay motivated, stay connected and stay active always before starting your weight loss transformation journey or during in the process, so that that will help you to get some results. Because why I'm telling, because I had last 4 years I had a fantastic amazing weight loss transformation journey. So which I have adapted so many methods, processes, right? So I followed certain habits, disciplines, so which helped me. So this I'm going to share with you all, because I don't want to make you a long journey of 4 years to lose 40-50 kgs. So I want to minimize your time. I want to minimize your time, number one. I want to save your money also, because in this process of my last 4 years journey, so I had done a lot of experiments, which is working, which is not working. So then in that process I lost a lot of time. Even I invested a lot of money by approaching the various coaches, consultants, nutrition coaches, consultants. I have enrolled myself into various nutrition programs. So some programs are helped me, some program didn't help me, some program I liked, some program I didn't like. So now I am putting a filter. I am just applying a filter out of my 4 years of experience and experiments. I am just applying the filter. I am removing. So which are the procedures, which are the methods didn't work for me, right? So now I'm going to give you, applying a filter, I'm going to give you what worked for me, so and what I have followed really, so that it will help your time, it will help your money, it will help to save your time, save your money. Yes. So without wasting much time, so let me deep dive into that. So let me give you that quick hacks. So let me start with the self-awareness. The number one tip is self-awareness. So it starts with knowing yourself and your triggers and your goals, and understand your journey from within. So I'm again telling you, it starts from self-awareness, because I started from there only. It means from self-awareness, it's knowing yourself, means knowing myself. And what are your triggers? Trigger to start your weight loss transformation journey, trigger to putting on your overweight, and what are the triggering factors if you are on obesity. You need to understand that, and then from there you need to prepare your goals. What is your goal when it comes to your weight loss transformation journey? Maybe it's a numbers on scale, like how many kilos you want to lose month after month, year after year, or maybe what kind of fitness, mental, physical fitness you are looking forward for that, and then understand your journey from within. So it's all about self-awareness, right? So number one hack, self-awareness. If you like it, just keep commenting in the comment section, loud it. So just type loud it, or you can type self-awareness in the chat box wherever you're watching. You might be watching in YouTube, maybe Instagram, or maybe from my Facebook social media platforms. So you can just type self-awareness. The number one hack, you can type self-awareness. If you allowed it, just type loud it. And then number two, self-care and love. Self-care and love. So once you are aware of yourself, you start caring of yourself, and loving yourself and loving your body. Because treat yourself with a kindness. You should be kind at heart always for towards you and yourself. Self-care, it's not a selfish. I'm telling you the self-care again and again, but it is not a selfish. It's necessary for growth, maybe personal, professionally, in any way. It's not only for weight loss transformation. It will help you in many ways. The self-care and self-love is important. So if you really love yourself, just type self-love and self-care in the chat box and keep commenting. So stay active till the end. So keep watching this video till end. I'm going to give you super hacks to start your weight loss transformation journey. Just type in the chat box self-care and self-love. And then number 3, the mindset. Yes, so cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in your abilities to change and overcome the obstacles. This is again very important, crucial success factor. So if you're in a weight loss transformation journey, it is not only for weight loss transformation journey, it's for anything in your personal life, professional life. If you want to achieve something, if you start something, so then your mindset plays a vital and crucial role to get that success. Yes, because it's all about mindset, mind game. So if you fill up your mind with the positive thoughts, it will be positive. If you start thinking with the negatives, and the negative is going to happen, it will be always like that. So keep filling your mind with the positive thoughts, and be positive always. And you have to believe in your ability to start your weight loss transformation journey, ability to lose your weight. It's all about mind game, mind game, mind game. 80% mind game, or 20%, I can call it 80% mind game, 20%. Out of 20%, 10% nutrition, 10% I can call it a physical, the physical activities. So that's how, for me it has worked me. I believed in this way, in this process of 80% mindset, 10% nutrition, 10% maybe physical activities. In other way I can call it 80% nutrition, 20% physical activities. Once I am fit, once you're fit, once you fit yourself, and once you decided, make your mind very strong yourself, and mindset plays a vital role, right? Again I'm telling, cultivate a positive mindset, believe in your abilities to change and overcome the obstacles, right? So super hack, right? So type in the chat box mindset is a game changer. Mindset is a game changer. Type in the chat box mindset, right? And then next super hack is discipline. Yeah, you just type in the chat box discipline, right? So stay committed to your goals, because discipline is again very much important, a critical success factor. Because we have started from self-awareness, self-care, self-love mindset, and then I'm talking about discipline. You should be disciplined enough so to achieve your goals, even on the tough days, right? Discipline paves the way for success. In the tough days means maybe you have a hectic schedule of meeting, like you should not break your the discipline. You should not break your that habits, right? If it's not possible to adopt some the nutrition and dietary intake habits, do not break in that the difficult times, the tough days, maybe a meeting day, maybe festival day, maybe function day, social, social eating, emotional eating. Don't be get tempted for all those challenges. It will be there, it will come you to test you. But don't break your discipline. If if you feel happy, then if you feel motivated, then type the word discipline in the chat box. And the next super hack is habits. So this is again, habit is everything. You should form a habit, you should inculcate a habit, right? You should adapt a habit, right? So replace old habits with healthier ones. When I'm talking about habit, there are so many habits, and habit is related to anything and everything. But you should focus here. We are in a weight loss transformation journey, weight loss transformation game. So replace all your old habit with a healthier one, and then smaller changes lead to a significant results. When it comes to habit, you start your the old habit with a new healthy habits, and then start with the small steps. It will lead to a significant results. So do not start a big habit. Don't expect a 360-degree change in your habit, maybe food intake, maybe workouts, maybe routines, maybe sleep habits. Don't do that. So start with the small steps, because everything start with a small step. You always know, right? 1 lakh rupee, it start from 1 rupee. Similarly, if somebody is successful in life, it starts with the small steps. So this everybody knows, right? I don't want to highlight again and again. So everything and anything in life, it starts with the small steps. So then it will give you a compound effect. Over a period of time, you will get definitely results. So if you feel really motivated and charged, don't forget to type the word habit in the chat box. Just type the word habit in the chat box. Right? So feeling awesome, right? Feeling confident, motivated, right? So if you're feeling confident and motivated, keep commenting and keep posting in the comment box. Motivated, awesome, right? So charged yourself. So next super hack is consistency. So I love consistency, because I love consistency. Start typing consistent in the chat box. Just type consistent in the chat box, right? Consistency is the key to success. This, you know, is a very powerful, very famous, popular quotation. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key to success. Let's understand the consistency. Because once you form a habit, once you adopted a discipline, it should be continuously, day in and day out, come what may. So every day, day in and day out, you have to keep doing the same and same with the consistency, right? Because stick to your plan and make it part of your daily routine. So that is all about consistency. Consistency is a key to success, and stick to your plan and make it a part of your daily routine, then definitely you are going to get the result. But consistency is a key to success. Do not forget, do not underestimate the word of consistency, the power of consistency. So just type in the chat box power of consistency and consistency, right? And the next super hack. So if you're feeling awesome, just type the word awesome in the chat box wherever you're watching, maybe from my Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, various social media handles. So keep chatting and keep commenting. Awesome, right? So consistency, right? Weight loss transformation, keep commenting. And then if you have anything to share, you can also comment. See, not only particular to these words, so you can comment anything related to your weight loss transformation, but keep commenting and stay activated. And you know, watch this video till end. And the next super hack is progress. Yes, because without progress, we cannot measure anything, and we don't get, you know, towards that getting that results. The progress is very much important. Track your progress to stay motivated, because you know, if you, the progress is very much important, because we are in a journey of, you know, making yourself transform yourself. So we need to track the progress to stay motivated. That will give you a motivation and improve your confidence levels a majority of the times. And then, you know, celebrate every milestone, no matter how small is, right? When it comes to progress, you track your progress, then celebrate every milestone, and no matter how small it is. Maybe you lost 200 gram weight in 1 week, maybe you lost 500 gram in 1 month, maybe you lost 300 gram in weight. So that is a milestone. That is a milestone. You celebrate yourself and pat your back yourself. Maybe you can share with your very close ones, maybe your friend, family, maybe your colleague, relative, whosoever feel you are comfortable to share something. So which you achieved your milestone, you can definitely share your share your wins. I can call it share your wins, and share your, you know, the success milestone, right? Celebrate every milestone. It's make a difference. It makes a big difference. So stop, type the word in the chat box progress. Yes, let's track the progress. So if you're someone who is really looking forward to start your weight loss transformation journey, you're planning and preparing, and definitely you should, you know, connect with me, where I can give you hand-holding session, one-to-one discussion, one-to-one consultation, coaching, guidance, and mentoring. So there, together we can track your progress. You and me together, we will definitely track your progress in terms of your, you know, celebrating every milestone, and then no matter how small, how big it is, right? So it's all about progress. Let's type in the chat box progress. Type in the chat box progress. And just I'm going to final super hack. I'm going to give you final super hack from this video, that is results. Yes, I'm talking about result, because you know, so that is how, like, we are planned and prepared to start our weight loss transformation journey to get some desired results. At the end of the day, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, we are looking forward for the results. Yes, the result is what? Your hard work will definitely going to pay off. Your hard work is definitely going to pay off. Enjoy the rewards of your dedication, because you know, you started from your self-awareness, self-love, self-care, then, you know, discipline, habit, consistency, progress, and then finally we have come to results. Because I'm very much eagerly looking forward to get the results for you. So I'm here to help you to get that, bring that result on your table, right? So if you are particularly looking forward to start your weight loss transformation journey, so where I'm going to have a hand holding session, step by step session, where I'm going to give you guidance, coaching, training, motivation in the step by step process. So you can connect me from various social media handles, from my YouTube channel, my Instagram handle, my Facebook handle, 𝗦𝗲𝗃. You can type in the Facebook, you can type in YouTube, you can type in Instagram, you will get my 𝗦𝗲𝗃 handle, and you can go and watch. I have posted a number of reels related to motivation, related to transformation, related to food and diet habits. So you can watch all my previous reels. Even most importantly, you can go and watch my pictures, before and after pictures, last 4 years pictures, where I had a fantastic transformation by losing more than 50 kgs in my last 4 years journey. You can just go and watch that pictures, watch that images, read that messages. I posted a lot of motivational messages, scientific messages, everything to motivate you, to charge you, to make you active, and more than that, make you transform and make yourself transform to get the desired results. So now this is what I want to give you a super cool hacks today from this video. So if you like it, so then keep commenting in the comment box, I just liked it. And then I want to summarize once again the super hacks. The number one, self-awareness. Number 2, self-care and love. Number 3, mindset. Number 4, discipline. Number 5, habits. Number 6, consistency. Number 7, progress. Number 8, results. These are the 8 super hacks today I want to give you to all of you. So just keep watching this video till end and keep commenting super hacks. This 8 super hacks you can keep commenting: self-awareness, self-care, self-love, right mindset, discipline, habits, consistency, and progress and results. So if you want to ask anything, if you like to have some question, and so I'm definitely allowed to read all your question, I'm definitely allowed to answer all your question. You can keep commenting in the form of comments in the comment section. Do not forget to comment and do not forget to ask the question, and you can connect me from various social media handles where I'm going to teach, train and coach, guide the people to make a better version of themselves and to make make their weight loss transformation journey very smooth. In the last 4 years I've been trained more than 1,000 people. More than 1,000 people I've been trained where they have seen the visible results of weight loss transformation. So that's all about from today's video. So thanks for watching. So keep commenting in the comment section. So catch you all. See you with the next video. Catch you up with you all with the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.